Okay, game to. Ato ang main event bahad. Dire sa Puntoris Court. Hinaog sa game 1 ang Team Negro against Team Jobert. Kini game to na, 1-0. Servisyo. Rap, answer by Elmer. Overhead. Elmer, double barrel attack. Courtesy of Elmer na Negro. Nice defense. Out si Mr. Explosive Jobert Barcinas. 1-0 1-0. Negro to serve. Negro. Trap shot is good. Coming from Rap. Side out. Shout out sa ato ang organizer ng ato ang bahad dire ha sa Puntoris Court. Si Boss Eugene Baruel. Wasak na wasak ang puso ni Nastimak. Giba si Negro, gulat na gulat si Negro sa atake ni Mr. Explosive Jobert Barcinas. 2-0 na. Zero ato score ha. Ball position para sa Team Jobert. Team Jobert on the attack. Wait, 3-0. Rap serving. Rap again. Jobert. Answer by Elmer. Perfect shot coming from Elmer Cabusas. Side out, 3-0. Servisyo Ray. Elmer. Out ball. Ray 0. Here comes Ichoy. Ray. Rap. Wow, kalamay.
Patay tanan.
Netbag. Zero lang yapon. Servisyo Elmer. Rap. Ichoy. Rap. Overhead shot. Answered by Ray. Elmer. Ito. Both teams trading bombs. Relentless attack coming from Negro. 3-0. Servisyo Elmer. Wait. Those threes. Na. Well, igual is 3-all. Servisyo Elmer. Side out. Here comes Mr. Explosive Jobert Barcinas. Ichoy. Servo Elmer. Away. Igualis 3. Team Jobert Barcinas must win this one. Game to. Para doon ay decision game. Kill this last game 1. Negro. Grabe. Lakas ni Negro. 4-3. Servisyo Negro. Servisa Negra.
Pasok, bro.
Giapod man silang Negro. Pangulata. Grabe ang Negro eh. Change card. Size 3, size 3. On this halftime is brought to you by Modular Cabinets by Jubel Ducante. If you are in need of a cabinet maker, visit the page of Modular Cabinets by Jubel Ducante or call 0939-767-9534. Modular Cabinets by Jubel. Design for style, function, and durability. Kung gusto mong lamian nga pagkaon, adtuan ninyo ang kananan ni Maria, located at Kansohong Talisay along SRP Road. Out ball. 3 size sa nga to skora, 3 size. Bola sa Team Jobert. Here comes Ichoy. Negro, Jobert. Yay! Jobert, overhead. Answer by Negro. 4 size. The lead is cut down to 2. Service Ichoy. Inside.
This size.
3 points was made by Ichoy. Ichoy again. Rap. Jobert Masinas. Out ball. City size na. Change favor. Nilabaw na ang Team Jobert. Jobert within striking distance. Ichoy. Out. Nakipagputukan na ang Team Jobert. 8 size. They are leading by 2 points. Dating game to. Rap. Away. Service Elmer. Gapang. City 8 na. City 8. 1 point ball game. Rap. Corner. Answer Elmer. Wow! Ang galing! Galing ni Rap. 8 City. Here comes Mr. Explosive. Jobert. Out ball. Noibi. City. Last 3. Jobert serving. Jobert. Walang matigas na tinapay sa mainit na kape. GCT na. Grabe si Mr. Explosive. Jobert Marcinas. Rap. Wow! Ganda ng 2 shot ni Rap. Wasak na wasak ang depensa sa Team Negro. On si City for the win. Para bawi sa game to. On si City. Here comes Jobert. Nako! Sumablay si Mr. Explosive. Pinaka-importanting serbisyo isinablay ni Mr. Explosive. On si City. Ito pagkakataon sa Team Negro para tapyasan ang kalamangan. Negro to serve. Rap. Elmer. Rap again. To Negro. Jobert. Ito, nice exchange on both teams. Negro. Jobert. To the rescue si Ari. Elmer. Sayang na sayang lang. 8-11. Overhead shot ni Negro. No man's land. Pagdakol. 11. 9. Negro. Parajis.
Tuyok mo lang.
Jobert, let it fly. Mr. Explosive. Out ball. Nasubrahan ni Idol Jobert. Jis. 11. Last to last ball. Naidon. Bola sa ating Jobert. Chiksa. Ganda ng laban.
Gutom na gina.
Service yun up.
Walang gagawin na patay.
Jobert.
Patay.
Counter by Elmer. Sound kay Jobert. Binawag sa game to ang Team Jobert. Okay, we have a decision game 3.